drop pieces of cardboard, and I'm gonna start making a template for the console. Yeah, the console's gonna go in here. It's from here to here. So as you can see, I've gotten the shape of it right there. And now we're gonna cut it out in a piece of wood. I'm in the process of cutting out the pieces of wood. Inside it's 3/4 inch thick. I'm just cutting them out for right now, and then we'll test fit them, see if they fit. So that sounded pretty good. Now I'm gonna be working on the other side. It's the same process, and I'll cut you back on once I'm finished with that. So now that you have both sides, you grab a measuring tape and you measure from this side to this side, and make like a support that goes from here to here, and then screw it on there. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing the process. So I have all the supports cut out. Now I'm not gonna glue them on yet. First I'm gonna cut out the speaker cutouts. I'll be putting the tweeter up here and the 8-inch mid right here. So as you can see, I'm making the template. I marked out the hole, and that's gonna be for the 8-inch mid. And I'm gonna cut it out with the router jig, circuit jig. So all I'm doing now is I'm gonna put on the templates. Put on both templates with some double-sided tape, and then cut them out using the router. So now all I'm doing is grabbing this one, and I'm gonna mark them out, and then I'm gonna cut out these holes in here, and then I'm gonna flush trim it this edges so they're exactly the same. And put them in there, and then measuring them out, marking them out where they need to be, so I can assemble it outside. So I'm gonna cut out a ring, like kind of like that. And I have cut out some things that go there. And I'm gonna cut it out of this wood. Cut that out. Little layers so I can body fill this in it. All this little edge, I can body fill this so it's a smooth transition. But since I don't have any of that foam tape, it's like this. This is that kind of tape. It's a lot more beefier and it will go a lot better. But since I don't have any of that, I'm just doing it with masking tape. I'm just putting a whole bunch of masking tape around it so I can put the thickness on it. It could be a little bit bigger. This is a process that I'm taking. So I'm body filling it, and then I'm gonna sand it little by little, and it should build up. It should build up more and more, and it will start looking like this right here. A nice transition. But yeah, I'm gonna take my time with it, really get something done with it. So that is how it's looking. So it's looking like that, and this is gonna be removable. So this comes out. That's how it looks. Just insert it in there. Pretty good. Now what I'm doing, I'm cutting out a Chevy symbol. I already drew it out, as you can see right there. Now I'm gonna cut it out with the bandsaw. There it is, it's cut out. Now I'm gonna do the same process I did for this, but I'm gonna do it for this now. On the top, it's gonna be it. So far, looking real good. It's getting ready to start wrapping it. I think I'm gonna go with carpet, and then these little inserts are gonna be leather also in here.
Let's go back.